We're both from a culture where culinary experiences are huge in everyday life, and we want different types of cuisines, and we want to continue eating those things, but also sustainably as well. So how does cell-based food, sorry, single cell-based foods like what you're making can complement that?
The solution is actually already out there in the shape and form like spam, sausages, ham, fish balls. What else? A lot of the deli slices. You know, all these processed meat, especially the lower end, already have been incorporated quite a bit of plant-based protein, which you don't know. They still think this is 100% pork luncheon meat. They still think this is 100% tuna cans, where if you look carefully of the ingredient listing, wow, soy protein is in the tuna. What does it do right here? It's a it's a volume enhancer, volume additive, So the cheap ones are already incorporating a lot of these plant-based technologies. And that's my point. That's my theory is that going forward, a lot of these alternative protein will go into those venues, will be incorporated into those products. Why? Because people who consume those products, they want consistency in their daily shopping. So that consistency, again, just like I said, consistency in price, in flavor, and in texture. And with all the technology we develop, this is easily done. And that's where a lot of these single cell protein, alternative protein will be used on that to make your daily staple.